welcome to Lectures by Aparna. In today's video, we will discuss about translation matrix. Translation is a type of transformation that occurs when a figure is moved from one location to another in the coordinate plane without changing its size, shape or orientation. Suppose we are having the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle like this. This is triangle ABC. We want to find the new coordinates when this triangle is moved 5 units to left and 2 units up. This is where a translation matrix is used in order to find the new coordinates. Let us write the coordinate matrix for the given triangle. The coordinate matrix can be written as C equal to 2 minus 1, 4, 3, minus 3, minus 2. So this is coordinate A, 2 minus 1. This is coordinate B, 4, 3, and this is coordinate C, minus 3, minus 2. Now translating the triangle 5 units to the left means that each coordinate decreases by 5. Suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. If you move left along the x-axis, the x coordinate decreases by 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in the translation matrix we can write it as minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Now translating the triangle 2 units up means each y coordinate increases by 2. So in the translation matrix you can write it as 2, 2, 2. This T is the translation matrix. Now to move the triangle accordingly, add the coordinate matrix and the translation matrix. So C plus T will be equal to 2, 4, minus 3, minus 1, 3, minus 2 plus the translation matrix which is minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, 2, 2, 2. That will be equal to 2 minus 5. So that will be 2 minus 5 as the first element in the first row, 4 minus 5 as the second element in the first row, minus 3 plus minus 5 as the third element in the first row, minus 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. So these elements will be in the second row. So we will get C plus T is equal to minus 3, minus 1, minus 8, 1, 5 and 0 after computing this. This will be the coordinates of the new triangle which we get after translation. So let the new triangle be triangle A dash, B dash, C dash, where A dash will be equal to minus 3, 1, B dash will be minus 1, 5 and C dash will be equal to minus 8, 0. So if you look at it graphically, it will be like this. This is the original triangle ABC and this is the triangle you get after the translation, that is A dash, B dash and C dash. That is moving triangle ABC 5 units to the left and 2 units up. So that is a translation matrix. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.